Riyan ham keldi do'stlar. Qarachi, men yo'ldan narigida yashayman. Qo'shnikidan ish chiqib qoldi, hozir gaplashaychi. Nima deydi ekan? Can I park here? Hi, man.
Yeah, that's fine. How you doing?
Good, good.
Good seeing you.
Yeah. How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Sorry I had to run and get some cash real fast.
No problem. May I take a video for my social? No problem. With glasses?
You got glasses?
Nah.
Oh, those are the Meta ones?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No problem.
That's fine.
How are you? Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, you too. Doing good.
Thank you.
So it's just this here,
Uh-huh.
and then I just need to replace this part on it.
Sounds good. Just replace, right? Ana shuni olib tashlab, birdan jaluzi fardasini olib tashlab, mana sitkasini yangi qo'yib beraman. $80. Nima dedinglar? 20 yarim soat vaqt ketadi. Mana do'stlar, 1 minut ham ketmadi, shekilli yechib oldim. Endi xuddi shundan mana yangisi bor. Yangisini qo'yib berish kerak. Mana do'stlar, bu jaluzi ham bo'ldi. Endi mana sitkasini almashtirib bersam, shu bilan bu yerda ham ishim tugaydi. Mana do'stlar, sitkasi ham tayyor. Mana hech qanaqa osilib qolgan joyi yo'q. Shu taren turibdi. Mana bu ham bo'ldi. Hi, Ryan. Work is done. Can you check, please?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You do a lot faster than I would do it.
Yeah.
Just takes. That would take me like 3 or 4 hours to do. And I was like, I'm just having somebody come do it the right way.
Yeah. Because I have experience, you know.
Yeah, definitely. Well, it looks good. Thank you.
No problem.
That's 80 right there.
All right.
I appreciate it. Thanks
Thank
for coming
you.
by
Thank you so much.
short notice too.
No problem.
Thank you. I'll let you know. Next time I need something, I'll let you know.
No problem.
All right.
I live near Walmart
Yeah.
backside.